Hello everyone. So I thought about this and I was thinking about what we were going to do today. And I was going to glue some of the pages or glue the stuff onto the one journal today. And then I thought about it and I decided I haven't made clusters in a long time. And I was thinking about it and I'm like, why don't I make clusters anymore very often? I mean, I have my few clusters up there yet and everything, but I haven't really made any new paper clusters in a long time. So, we have this paper here. We're just going to start gluing some papers down on it and see where we get. I mean, we could add 2 lace or doily. I just, again, kind of just want to take the time to use what I have and create. I apologize if this video ends up not being very long due to the weather. There is a big thunderstorm on its way and I'm not sure how much time I'm going to have, but again, why not try doing something, you know? Again, I haven't made clusters in such a long time and I feel like, why don't I ever do this? There we go. We got one all done. Here's another one. I mean, all I'm doing is taking my tiny scraps and sticking them on this random piece here. That's all I'm doing. And that's all you really need to do in order to make a cluster. You don't have to have the most fanciest things or anything else like that. You just need to take the time to create with what you have. Ooh, I really like this. I'm just gonna, this one's gonna be a bigger one. All you can hear is the thunder outside. You're not really hearing much more than that, so I like the yellowing of this one, so I'm gonna keep that way. Again, I don't normally make clusters in this way. I normally staple it together and do all that jazz, but I just felt like today needed to be a little bit different. Again, my clusters need to look different too. I don't always like doing the same cluster over and over and over again. Who does? Again, all I'm doing is gluing. Oops, I probably glued that on the wrong side. That's okay.